Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your Earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. You have to start by open the charging case, and if your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically and you will see it at the device list. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold at this button until this LED light starts flashing. Here we go. And now we manually enter to prank mode and we can see it at the device list also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.